friends. A chain needs to be lubricated externally along with sprockets so as to reduce the rolling friction and the heat generated. Everything on the inside of any O-ring or the X-ring type of chain will be kept lubricated by the grease inserted during the chain's manufacture. But lubrication is needed on the external surfaces of the chain, including on the seals. The lubrication is required to reduce the wear between the chain and the sprocket, reducing stretch and for providing protection against corrosion. Very recently, I came across an Australian product named Uniglide, which is a friction-reducing metal treatment that forms a long-lasting protective film on any metal surfaces. The special coating basically reduces the coefficient of friction between the rolling and sliding parts to reduce the heat buildup and parts wear, thereby enhancing the overall performance and durability of the treated parts. I used the Uniglide chain lube on my KTM390 adventure and found it to be quite effective. In reality, it's difficult to describe the benefits, but as per my experience, after the application of Uniglide, the chain and sprockets became quite silent and motorcycle ride felt much smoother. The Uniglide is imported from Australia by the Performance Lubricants India, and as per the company claims, it provides following benefits. A 150 ml bottle costs approximately Rs 245. So if you wish to feel the silent and enhanced performance from your chain and sprocket set, maybe one should try Uniglide chain lubricant and feel it for yourself. Jai Hind and ride safe.